In this video, we will be doing a proof involving an isosceles trapezoid. So here we have given ZXCV is an isosceles trapezoid, ZXCV. Prove that triangle XZB is congruent to triangle CVB, triangle CVB. We will go through the proof here and write it out on the diagram. So first, ZXCV is an isosceles trapezoid given. Angle XZV is congruent to angle CVZ, definition of isosceles trapezoid. So angle XZV is congruent to angle CVZ. Next, ZX is congruent to CV, again, definition of isosceles trapezoid. So XZ and CV are congruent. ZV is congruent to ZV, reflexive property. ZV is congruent to itself and is in both triangles. Therefore, triangle XZV is congruent to triangle CVZ by SAS, side angle side, side angle side, side angle side. From there, angle CZV is congruent to angle XVZ, CPCTC. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. So angle CVZ right here is congruent to angle XVZ right there. Next, ZB is congruent to VB if angles then sides. We have two congruent angles, therefore the sides opposite are also congruent in this triangle. Next, angle XZB is congruent to angle CVB by subtraction. We are subtracting congruent angles from congruent angles, and that gets us congruent angles there and there. Next, triangle XZB is congruent to triangle CVB by SAS, side angle side, side angle side, side angle side. And that is our proof.